G'day guys, Judge Rob here. We've currently got a power outage in our street and it's been out since 2 o'clock this afternoon. So we're cooking dinner on our Ninja wood-fired grill, courtesy of our Cannon Alpha plug-in hybrid. So as you can see, there's our wood-fired grill working away, and when we come over here, our vehicle to load adapter on our Cannon Alpha plug-in hybrid, and that gives me the ability to bring out 3,300 watts of power, and that's done via the charge cable that goes into the car. So, don't have to rely on the power to get back on time. We can actually cook dinner and do that now. See you guys, thank you.